It's an ultimate trip on about 2 Kiddie rides. Yes. Yes, I will be bonus with 3 rides this time. Remember Ultimate Show in 1997. I did lots to RTV. Yeah. I think it was going on a track mode at the start. I'm not sure. And how much cars are going off. I don't know. Yeah, sorry if it's a bit busy here already. But I haven't got Mansfield if any kids come here, to be honest. Just to be honest. Yeah, but I moved this a bit. Because some people keep moving this, some kids keep moving this forward, annoyingly. I don't know why. And there's the back a bit. I don't think you can see very well because it's almost against the wall, which I believe. But oh well. Hang on, is there any sound coming to the speakers? I just remember my bag there. Yeah, there is. But it's on really low volume, I'm afraid. But if you give it a big tap, then the sound may come back. Or when you turn the sound too many times. That's what I would do, at times. Yes, much cars over there. Second right. I do love this ride, just to be honest. I don't understand why this model is still mute. Like if they turn the volume down on this a bit, then it might sound good. Because sometimes it just gets too loud, this ride, to be honest. Guess everybody's over there. For some reason it's not working. I don't know why. Yeah, like I said before, sorry if it's a bit busy here. Apparently. Yeah, there's no big place over there. And there's Scoop over there, next to me. Yeah, the one at Jordan had the same problem. It's just one of the Jordan had the same problem for some reason. I wish I knew why. It's just going off. No, it can't. The magic card is going off as well. So that's right. Well, it doesn't allow me to skip it. That's surprising, actually. That does stop me worrying a little bit, to be honest. Believe it or not, that's how the video watch give likes. If it doesn't, I'll be a little bit annoyed. But I'm hoping it does, to be honest. Because I do love this ride. Yeah, I'm doing for the people who love this ride, by the way. That's why. Yeah, I'm up on the Kiddie Rides of Sea Life today. Might be going there today, because it's quite busy here, which I believe. And I probably might film the script next time, I don't know. I will film with him with Vibe Rides at some point, but I don't know when. Probably when it's quiet, maybe. But I could have filmed it yesterday, but I couldn't. Because I had to hold the stopper many times, that's the problem. Well, almost gave me a jump scare there. It almost gave me a heart attack there for 1 second. Before you I may push the start button again, in case I can skip it. Yeah, I knew it. And that was the Ultimate Thunderbird 2 Kiddie Rides.